So today we had to drop off our Tacoma at the dealership to get some warranty done on it. Even though it's brand new, we found a little trim piece around the shifter console that just wouldn't snap into place, and we tried pushing on it and everything, but because it's brand new, we thought that just bring it to dealership and let them handle it was the best thing to do. So we got the call that we're gonna go pick it up and see if everything's done today, and then we'll be bringing home our brand new truck for the second time. So we got our truck back, it's all done. So what happened was that this piece right here, one of the retainer clips was loose. So this whole thing was wiggly and we couldn't even push it back down, and it would just pop back up. And they replaced all the retainers. So we got our truck back, we're really happy. And it feels good that everything is back to tip-top shape because we bought it brand new just a week ago. Hey, look at that. One of those things are out here checking out some Tacomas too. I know, buddy. You'll find one.
Oh my gosh. Baby. Where'd he go? Hey, buddy.
Oh. Yup, there he is. Don't peck. Don't peck. Oh, it's looking at it. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Look at all these Tacomas. None of them are like this TRD off-road, bronze oxide, iForce Max premium package. Well, except that mud bath out there. That looks pretty cool. But we love ours. Yes, we can.